Hello, it's Joshua from Green Mountain Mech Works, and today I'm going to be showing you something rather handy. As you can see, I took off some of the paneling to mount the arm module. This is where the boat and cables are currently terminating. And this is a little messy because this is inch PVC pipe and it's a little thick, so I'm gonna have to replace it with something a little thinner, maybe 3D print a proper eyelet. And as you can see, there's actually a bit of a link. There are some issues with the tension of these cables as compared to the string inside the forearm, but that's a lot of trial and error. Maybe I would end up doing some sort of leverage doohickey in there so it increases the length pulled. You know, sort of leverage that causes for every inch you pull this back, it moves the strings down in the forearm 2 inches or 3 inches. But and obviously, since this is all cabling,